Hello guys, welcome back to SK Tech and Information channel. After a long time, here is my another video friends. So today's video is topic is gonna be a little interesting. So friends, you all know that there are many of the students, even many of the students or the many of them who are graduates want to earn money sitting at home or in this lockdown period, or normally the students want to study and also want to earn money as a part-time income. So for them there is a best opportunity friends. If you have a basic skills like logo designing or article creating or content writing, you can definitely earn money friends. You can just do freelancing and earn money. So friends, let's do not waste our time and let us enter into the topic. So today's topic is about Fiverr. So today I am gonna show you how to create a Fiverr account and how to create a Fiverr seller account. Friends, Fiverr account is different and Fiverr seller account is different. Fiverr account, it is only used for buying the projects from them, or you can give them the projects. But Fiverr seller account is in which you're gonna work and you're gonna earn money. It is in this you don't need to even invest 1 rupee also friends. You can just create the gigs and you can just find the projects and you can earn money. But friends, finding the projects in freelancing websites is a most competitive one. It matters on your gig creating and your gigs posts and everything that and all. I'll explain you slowly friends. First let us think about how to create a Fiverr seller account. So first, join to the Fiverr account. So if you have an account, you create the account, or else you can join with you can I'll create a new account and show you friends. So friends, we can I am gonna give the name as SK Designers. I have a little professionality in logo designing, not professionality, a little I have a touch in logo designing. So I'm gonna give SK Designers. So the name is already taken, so you can give something numbers. Yeah, this is the name which is not taken. So choose the genuine and attractive name friends. Then select the password. I'll enter my password a second. So friends, I have entered my password, so I press on join. No, it needs 1 second. So in this, any one letter should be capital letter and one letter should be lowercase. Then you have to add the symbols and etc. friends for the password. So my password is correct, so I press on join. So now my Fiverr account is created. So account is created friends, and now you need to verify your email ID first. So let me verify my email ID. So yeah, so I got the email activating the new account email. So press on activate account, your Chrome. So my account is successfully activated friends. So friends, this is just a Fiverr buyer's account. I mean, this is a client account in which you can see the person. See, he has created a gigs. These are the seller accounts, those who have created the gigs. See, some person he had given that SEO plan. He is gonna do starting at 11 rupees, 11.59590. Yeah, this person's 38.634. So it's based on your quoting friends. See, this person is a competitive reporter. So 7,726 is amount for starting one SEO friendly articles. So you can do anything friends. Now this is just a buyer account in which you're a client who buys the project from the seller. So I'll tell you how to create a seller account. If you're gonna create in your laptops Fiverr account, it's very best friends, but I am showing you all just in phone. If you have phone, you can even create in phone also. Just enable desktop site, then go to the corner. I mean to the swipe up. You can see at down here some of the support and about and category. In this near support, you can see the third option, selling on Fiverr or seller account. You have to see here become a seller account. In community, you can see at the down become a seller account. Press on this become a seller account. So friends, here you can see here appears that you can work your way. So if you have skills, you can become a seller here. So press on become a seller account, seller. So ready to start on Fiverr. Here is the breakdown. So you have to know these, friends. First you have to create a seller account profile. So profile, yeah, continue. So press on continue. First your first name, okay, full name, last name. And yes, IGN Tech and Designers, friends. So you can upload your profile photo. So profile photo just as. So friends, upload the profile photo. My profile photo, it's taking a time to upload. Then give your the best description. So what you can provide. The description you have to give your friends. Yeah. So description of 150 characters. Like share the bit about the work experience and the cool projects which you can do and which you have experience. So let me type it. So friends, I have written my description. See, I have done some projects like article rewriting and proofreading. So those I have entered here, and what are my skills I have entered it. If you have skills in drawing, or if you have skills in logo designing or graphic designing or animation, photo editing, whichever skills you have, friends, you can use that skills and you can get the projects. But I am telling, finding a project in Fiverr or Upwork is very difficult. There is a lots and lots of competition. But once, if you like, first 2 to 3 steps will be very difficult, friends. Once you perfectly find the clients, and once you start to earn money, and once in your dashboard, when the clients see that you have earned some income, then they will get trust, and automatically you will be continuously getting the projects, friends. So give them the language which you can. So first English, it is basic English is they will be already given, and in which you can. So Kannada I can. So fluency I can, mine is just basic. So press on add. Then Hindi. So this is also basic. No, not basic. I'm little fluent in no conventional in English. So add it and continue. Now you can see your occupation. It is asking like in which you want to do like digital marketing, graphic designing, writing. So first I'll select digital graphic designing. So from the year, you give year as something, friends, like 2018 to 2020. My account was from 2018, 2 years old account. So this is choose 2 to 5 of the skills. Which are the skills you can do? It is already given here. You have to just select it. See, logo designing, just press a tick on it. Flyer design, no. Vector tracing, character design, then photo editing, background, business cards and stationery also. So these, friends, then skills, like, yeah, skills you can give like logo design, experience of, if you are a beginner, give beginner, or if you are intermediate, give them as an intermediate. Like if you have a little experience, mine is intermediate, friends. Okay, then press on add. Then next is photo editing. Photo editing, it is intermediate. Add, then add like article writing, or blogging, article writing or blogging. intermediate, no, article writing is expert. Okay. Add, so you can add new, you can add as many talents and as many skills you have, those you can add your friends. So next is rewriting, content rewriting. So intermediate, add, then what is running over, so vector, vector tracing, so intermediate, add. So next, select the college or anything which you are, so just fill these basic details, friends. Yeah. So fill all these basic details. So just enter the college name, and if you are in second B or anything, select the other, or if you are doing some other professional course like BA, MA, then you can select those courses. Those courses are already available here. So I am selecting other for now. Then here you can give a student if you are a student, and if you are working you can give on what occupation you are working. So 2020 college student, yeah, done. So add certificate or award, that you can leave as blank, I think, friends. Yeah, continue, press on continue, and off. So connect with any of them, so connect with one, two, connect with Google, Facebook. This is just for security, friends, so that if you lost your password you can easily recover it. So friends, let me connect it out. So friends, I have connected it out. Now you need to verify your phone number also, friends. So I'll verify my phone number. So friends, once you enter your number, you will get the code. Complete the phone number verification. 604 6. So, so friends, press on continue. So now the account is almost done. And friends, keep one thing in your mind, that it should be minimum 70, it should be minimum 65% above your skills. I mean your form for the seller account should be filled, that should match minimum 65%. So friends, here is where you have to create your gigs and you have to publish the gigs. That's all for today's video, and in the next video I'll be posting about how to create a gig and what are the templates you can use it. Yeah friends, the complete rate of the seller account, it should be like, complete rate should be above 65%, then only your seller account is qualified, or else it will be get rejected, friends. So maximum try to fill everything, don't leave anything blank. And friends, once you have done with it, then next video I'll be showing you how to create a gig. So then this is the Fiverr app, in which once you create a gig, if you install this, if once you create a gig, you can see here my overall stats. Like I have posted one gig on my old account. So this is my old account. See, this is my gig. You can see here article rewriting and proofreading. So for $20 I have posted it. Just you have to create a gig, and when the buyers see that gig and they get attracted to your gig, and they would submit it, they would submit the order for you. See, when you first log into the Fiverr account, it will just show you this buyer mode. When you just log in for the first time also, it shows buyer mode only when you create a gig. And after creating the gig, it takes time for 24 hours. After 24 hours, when you log in, this box appears seller mode. When you press on seller mode, so you can see here, after creating the gig, you can see here the gigs will be available at here, friends. Okay, so next video I'll be telling you how to create a gigs, and you can earn maximum part-time income from Fiverr account, friends. And even Upwork, Fiverr and Upwork, both are the best freelancing websites which I have gone through. So in this I didn't get any order, but I have got an order in Upwork. But friends, in Upwork you need to invest money like somewhat. Fiverr is based on gigs which you create, but in Upwork it is based on connects. You have to buy the connects. Like for $3, 20 connects you'll get, in which you can use for maximum 5 projects. You can use for applying with the 20 connects, 5 to 4 projects. See friends, this is my Upwork profile, and I have personally used the Upwork profile, and I have even got a project, and I have earned the money from that. It's taking time to load. Yeah, it's loading. Yeah, see friends, you can see one job and my total earning is $50+. So friends, today's video is only about Fiverr creating gig, how to create a Fiverr seller account. Next video is about how to create a gig in Fiverr. And friends, if you want to know about even Upwork and how to create Upwork profile and what is the advantages of Upwork, kindly comment me below, then I'll create a video for you in Upwork also about Upwork and how to create a Upwork account and what are the verification process you require for that, etc. So that's all for today's video friends. We'll meet on the next video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos. And if you need Upwork, how to create a Upwork account, do comment below. Thank you friends. Bye bye.